The question for topic.
A lot of snow in Japan. Questions. 1. How is the weather in Japan?
The weather in Japan is very bad.
2. Is the storm big?
Yes, the storm is very big.
3. How many people died?
13 people died.
4. How many people were injured?
More than 1,500 people are injured.
5. Does it snow a lot?
Yes, it snows a lot.
6. How high is the snow?
It's 13 inches or 33 centimeters. It's 13 inches or 33 centimeters of snowfall.
7. Did the snow fall on many areas?
No, the snow falls on one area.
8. What was the area hit by in 2011?
The area was hit by tsunami in 2011.
9. Can everyone get to work?
Someone cannot get to work.
10. What happened to the flights in Japan?
Many flights are cancelled.
11. Was it easy to get to Tokyo's center?
No, it's not easy to get to Tokyo Center.
12. What happened to the power lines?
Strong winds take down power line.
13. How many houses had no electricity?
More than 20,000 houses have no electricity.
14. Is the weather getting better?
Yes, the weather is getting better.
Will it get warmer?
Yes, it will get warmer. Thank you for listening.